Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from the first chapter of the fundamentals of electric circuits, and we have question 20 in this video where we need to find the V0 and the power absorbed by each element in the circuit of the figure on the right hand side. So we're going to use the law of conservation of the energy, the power. So the sum of all powers has to be equal to 0, which means we just have to find the power in each of these elements, knowing that the power is voltage times current. And as long as we watch for the sign that we have for the power, we should be good to go. So one thing that we discussed in the previous video too, we need to watch for if the current is entering the negative pole or the positive pole. If it's negative, the power would be negative, and if it's positive, it will be positive. So let's start with the first element, this one. So we can see the current is entering negative, so it will be negative. Voltage is 30, the current is 6. So let's move on to the second element. This will be positive 12 times 6. This one here will be again a positive power 3 times V0, which is what the question is asking us. This one we have also positive power 28 times the current is 1, and here again positive 28 times the current, it's 2 amp. And the last one, we have the voltage based on the I0, and we know I0 is 2, so this is going to be 5 times 2, which is going to be 10 volts. So plus negative, because that's our current and it's exiting the positive pole, so it will be negative 10 times the amp is 3 equals 0, and that should give us the only unknown that we're looking for in this question. So let's just calculate all the values that we have. So here, and these. So minus 180. So minus 180 plus 6 times 12, 72, plus 28, plus 58, 28 times 2, which is going to be 56, minus 30, that's going to be minus 54, and it's going to go on the other side of the equation. So it will be positive 54 divided by 3 is going to give us the voltage 18 volt. So that's V0. Also, the question is asking what's the power absorbed, and we discussed in the previous video the negative sign for the power shows that it's applied, and the positive sign shows that the power is absorbed. So here minus 180, this is supplied, 72, this is going to be absorbed. This element 54 also absorb, 28 absorb, 56 absorb, and this one minus 30 supply. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for this question. Hope everything was clear. The only thing that was different in this question, it was that 5I0, that the voltage was in this format, which was new to the previous question. But yeah, that's pretty much everything about this one, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.